Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mushroom spores. First, select a fresh, mature mushroom with an open cap. You will need clean, sterile materials like aluminum foil or a glass slide. The goal is to capture the microscopic reproductive cells for future use. This process is straightforward and essential for anyone interested in mushroom cultivation or study. We will cover the simple steps to ensure a successful collection. To make a spore print, carefully remove the stem from a fresh mushroom cap. Place the cap, gill side down, onto a piece of sterile aluminum foil or a clean glass slide. Cover the cap with a small bowl or cup to create a humid environment, which encourages spore release. Leave it undisturbed for at least 4 hours, or up to 24 hours, depending on the mushroom species. You will then see a visible print of the spores. A spore syringe is an excellent way to store and distribute spores for cultivation. To create one, first sterilize a syringe needle with a flame until it glows red, then let it cool. Scrape a small amount of your collected spore print into about 10 milliliters of sterile water. Draw this spore-laden water into the syringe. This method ensures a clean, viable solution for inoculating substrates, making it a very efficient and effective technique for growers. Proper storage is key to maintaining spore viability. Store dry spore prints in an airtight bag or container in a cool, dark, and dry location, like a cupboard. Spore syringes, however, should be kept refrigerated between 2 and 4 degrees Celsius. When stored correctly, spores can remain viable for several months, sometimes even up to 2 years. Use them to inoculate sterile substrates for growing your own mushrooms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.